Hello guys, welcome to this lecture. Today I'm going to implement the presentation layer of our app. Let's create presentation module. Inside the presentation module, I will set up our main dependencies. I don't wanna to use a version catalog, and I want to use our own dependencies from my build source module. As I have said before, our presentation layer must not access to data layer, and we can just see domain layer in our presentation module. color defines our main color plate, and type define text style and fonts, and I also defined shape for my project. Shape defines rounded corners and other shapes. These classes work together to define the look and feel of our Compose app. If you have worked with themes in the old res values XML files, this is the Compose version of that approach. And also I have set up support for both light and dark themes. And so if your device switches between modes, and the app adapt automatically. Now let's create our base view model. This class helps us handle UI state events and side effects in a clean and reusable way. It includes three main components: StateFlow for view state, this, and StateFlow is a hot flow and hold the latest value. It's ideal for representing things like loading content or error states. And it's also lifecycle-aware, and so even if the screen is recreated due to a configuration change, the UI still will persist. Another one is SharedFlow. For events, SharedFlow is another hot flow, but it doesn't retain the latest value. It's great for one-time events. If the screen is recreated to do a configuration change, the event won't re-emit. Another one is channel. For side effects, channel is a cold stream and it's commonly used for a one-time communication between coroutines. For example, triggering a back press or navigation that shouldn't reply when the app is resumed. Send event for to try to send event to emit events, set a state to update the UI state, and set effect to send one-time effects. And also we call subscribe to events in init, so we can immediately start handling any incoming events. Yes, that's it.